An information retrieval system is primarily designed to retrieve relevant information based on the user queries. A key feature of an IR system is query matching and relevance ranking. Which of the following is not a feature of an IR system? Data encryption. The IR system differs from a database management system in that it accepts natural language queries. Relevance in IR is typically measured by user need satisfaction. An effective IR system aims to maximize recall and precision. Which of these is a primary user interaction point in institutional repository? That is query interface. Full text search is supported by the IR system. The process of identifying the retrieving information that meets a user's need is called as the information retrieval. Which of the following feature allows IR system to improve future research, that is relevance feedback? Interactive IR systems are characterized by user system dialogue. In IR, browsing refers to predefined navigation of the document cluster, which is considered a retrieval feature in IR system. Query expansion. Precision refers to ratio of relevant document retrieved to total retrieved. Recall is the measure of relevant documents retrieved out of all relevant documents available. An IR system differs from cataloging in user-centered access to content. Which of these technology is commonly used in IR system for the indexing? That is inverted file indexing. Fuzzy research Fuzzy search capability enables retrieval of approximate matches. A search that uses and or and not is called as the Boolean search. Which one is not a feature of advanced IR system? That is watermarking. The major component of an IR system includes query processor, indexing system, and the database. The indexing system in an IR setup is used for the building searchable representation of the document. The query processor in an IR system performs search optimization and result ranking. The main storage element in an IR system is the document database or the collection. What is the role of a ranking algorithm in IR? Sort results based on the estimated relevance. Which of these is not a component of an IR system? That is power supply. The user interface in an IR system should be intuitive and user friendly. Controlled vocabulary is maintained by thesaurus or subject heading. Inverted files store index terms with the document location. Document surrogates in IR system includes abstract and the metadata. The output of indexing is typically stored in a posting file. Stop words in IR systems are frequently use less informative words. The relevance of document is judged by the user or researcher. Inverted index entries point to document identifiers and term position. The control vocabulary ensures consistency in term usage. Which component is responsible for ranking documents in IR? That is similarity algorithm. Metadata used in IR includes all except server IP. The matching between query and document representation is called retrieval function. Document reprocessing in IR includes tokenization and stemming. An IR system must balance precision as versus recall. The Boolean model represents documents and queries as sets of terms. Which IR model is based on set theory? That is Boolean model. The Boolean model uses which operates, that is and or not. A limitation of Boolean model is lack of ranking in the result. The vector space model represents document and queries as term vectors in multidimensional space. In the vector space model, similarity between document and query is computed using cosine similarity. Which model allow partial matching of document and queries, that is vector space? Which model estimates the probability data that a document is relevant to a query, that is probabilities graph?